The vanity counter in the bathroom also needs cleaning. It is a high-use item and it will need to be cleaned every time we enter the room for cleaning. To begin cleaning the vanity counter, remove all the amenities and glass. If there are guest items on the counter, keep them aside before cleaning the counter. Spray the glass cleaner and clean the mirror. Once the mirror is clean, clean the counter with chemical and rinse with water. Now return all the guest items back in place. Put the plant in place and water it. If there is any water spill, mop the floor with a dry mop and make it dry. That's it. Our vanity counter is clean now.
Hey, before you go to the next video, do consider subscribing to the channel to keep learning about hotel and how to work in one.
We post new videos frequently, and if you subscribe and click the bell icon, you will get notification when we post new videos. These learning videos are made by clarifiedbetter.com. And you see those videos? They are all videos about housekeeping that can help you with a career in housekeeping. If you look at the links in the description box below, you will also get links to other playlists that we have for kitchen, front office and being a supervisor. I hope you will watch them too.
See you in the next video.